Welcome to Settlers Square, an Alex Meisner community located just north of Cedar City in Enoch, Utah. Welcome to the Gentry at Settlers Square. This is a 1633 square foot floor plan featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on a single level. The Gentry features an open concept living and kitchen space, as well as a secluded master suite separated from the other 2 bedrooms. Inside the master suite you'll find a large walk-in closet complete with ample shelving and hanging space, as well as a spacious full bathroom. The master bath is complete with custom wood cabinetry, dual sinks, a cultured marble shower, and separate toilet room. You're sure to appreciate the Gentry's charming front porch, as well as the large interior windows throughout. Common upgrades include a decorative vent hood, farmhouse sink, a gas or electric fireplace, and a mudroom bench in the laundry. When building a semi-custom Gentry at Settlers Square, there's so many ways to make this charming floor plan your own. For more information on the Gentry or other floor plans at Settlers Square, contact our sales agent, Jenny Vossler, ERA Realty Center. She can be reached at 435-559-1260.